13 meteorologist Dave Osterberg with your Sky Tower radar forecast.
5:18 on this Friday morning. You go back to yesterday, we did get into the lower 90s, but barely, because once we got past that 1 o'clock, it rained just a little bit, just enough to knock those temperatures down. So we will get back into the lower 90s again today. Now, the southwest wind pattern, we've had it for much of the week. It just makes it incredibly steamy out there. We've got it again today, but then starting tomorrow, we're going to shift the winds back to more of a southeast or east wind, which will then push the storms back to the west coast. That's Saturday and Sunday. Today will be very similar to yesterday. Notice these little tropical downpours developing into the Gulf. A few of these will bump up against the coast. Then they'll just completely collapse. It's just out over the Gulf in general, early in the morning, it's very unstable. So you're easy to generate these types of showers. Then once they move onshore, the atmosphere over the land is very stable. So they start to fall apart. So that's why they hit the coast and then they fall apart early in the morning. 83 in Tampa, 84 in St. Pete, 86 in Venice, a lot of mid to upper 70s. The general flow again, pushing across the state from southwest to northeast. So we'll get a few of these little pop-up showers and storms. Here's 1 o'clock, but by 5, 6 o'clock, everything will have been pushed well inland at that point. And then we'll start to bring the storms back. Here's Saturday afternoon, bringing them back to the west coast. Again, you just kind of flip-flop the rain chances from the east coast today back to the west coast tomorrow and Sunday. Multiple areas we are watching in the tropics, but the one that we're really kind of honed in on is the one here with the 90% chance for development. This wave, it is still well to the east of these islands. Typically, these storms don't form in June. But given the fact that we have record warmth in the water here, that's why. Typically, these long track storms that come off the coast of Africa, the Cape Verdes, they don't happen until July or into August. But this one, again, working its way into the eastern Caribbean, likely to become Tropical Storm Beryl. And by Monday, it's going to be right here by the southern islands. So we get a long time to watch this. And over the weekend, you're probably going to start to see everyone posting these computer models all over the place. Listen, until Monday, it's still going to be in the Atlantic, not even in the Caribbean. It's thousands of miles away. We'll watch it for you, but likely to become a tropical storm at the very minimum. 92 degrees your high today. Light chop on the coastal waters this weekend. Looking at a 7-day forecast, which just screams summertime again. 50 to 60% rain chances for much of next week as well.